Are you not receiving verification codes on your iPhone? Whether it's for apps, logins, or OTPs, here are some quick fixes you can try. First, check your signal. Make sure you have a stable network connection, either mobile data or Wi Fi. If your signal is weak, you might not receive SMS codes right away. Next, turn airplane mode on and off. Just open your control center, enable airplane mode, wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. This refreshes your network connection. Now, go to Settings, tap Messages, and make sure iMessage is turned on. Sometimes verification codes can come through iMessage instead of SMS. Also, check if Filter Unknown Senders is enabled. Go to Settings, Messages, and turn it off temporarily. This might be hiding your verification messages. Another important step is to check your blocked contacts. Go to Settings, then Messages, then Block Contacts, and make sure the number sending the code isn't blocked. If you're still not receiving anything, restart your iPhone. It sounds simple, but it can fix temporary glitches. You can also try inserting your SIM card into another phone to check if the issue is with your device or your net. And if nothing works, contact your carrier to make sure there are no restrictions on your number, especially for short codes or international messages. And that's it. Try these steps and you should start receiving your verification codes again.